Everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that Snapchat camera not working in your phone. So, you want to fix the problem in your phone to simply follow some steps to fix the issue. Simply go back to settings and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection of your Wi-Fi and also make sure that VPN is not connected. Simply scroll down and just find a Snapchat. If you didn't find a Snapchat from your setting, just simply go back to search bar and simply search a snap just like that. Snapchat, and just go to the Snapchat just like that. Just tap on Snapchat and just scroll down, and you have to make sure that you have just go to permissions. And you have to make sure that you just allow all the permissions from here, just like that camera, access, contact, file, media, everything. And you just permission all the, and if you didn't, permission the camera from here, just like that. If you choose that option, just choose that option and fix the issue. And give camera after that settings. So you have to make sure that settings to fix the issue. If you go back and scroll down and then go to the storage, just demo storage, and just clear the cache from here for going to fix. So that's is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related. Thanks for watching.